of two friends who grew up poor, used to share everything. They grew up outdoors, went different ways until the day rang when they met again. They haven't seen each other in so many years, growing through memories, brought up tears, followed up with laughter. The good old days. Throughout all of that, he didn't fail to notice that his friend was dressed up from head to toes. Apparently, he has become rich now, flashing money, lavish life, mad honeys. Introduced him to a new life, all the shining things. Quickly seduced him, he wanted to be rich. Show me how to fish, but little did he know wealth can cost you a soul, cause it's so. He pressed his friend about to connect. His friend was reluctant, at first hesitant, but the other friend saw it as wickedness. Human misunderstanding drove him to guilt. He had to ask him, are you sure this? The latter confirmed, okay, tomorrow I will bring you there. First feeling in the jungle is fear, the spirit of the ancestors, voodoo affair. In a sinister voice, the native doctor asked him,
make your request. Tell Yobe why you are here.
Yobe, go to Yobe. I need excess money. Money. In different denominations, different currencies. I need money. Even sizable money. International money.
Distance between poverty and riches is courage. You must be courageous. Fear is the greatest undoing of mankind.
His hunger for wealth led him to sacrifice his only son. For him it was worth the price. Mentions ascensions to higher status in society. For him it was passed through. Expensive cars, life of a star. Dignity is restored. Here comes justifiable arrogance. A dance with the devil doesn't end well. A dance with the devil doesn't end well. Doesn't end well. Al-Shifa, I testify that there's no God but Allah, the mighty, the wise, the best of protectors, the best of helpers. Whomsoever Allah protect, none can harm, and whomsoever Allah wish to harm, none can protect. Alhamdulillah, that was the album mastery, done by the will of the Lord, Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.